Module Overview. Module 6 provides an in-depth exploration of colour theory as it applies to both portrait and landscape drawing, expanding from monochromatic techniques to a nuanced, multi-layered understanding of hue, saturation, and temperature. While traditional drawing often relies on graphite or ink, this module pushes boundaries by integrating coloured pencils, soft pastels, oil pastels, watercolor washes, and mixed media techniques into drawn compositions. The module also covers atmospheric colour interaction, how light, weather, time of day, and environmental conditions influence perceived colour in real life, and how these effects can be captured convincingly in art. It bridges scientific colour principles with emotional storytelling, emphasizing how artists use colour not only to replicate reality, but also to evoke mood, symbolism, and character identity. 1. Foundations of colour theory. A. The colour wheel. The module begins with a comprehensive study of the colour wheel and its functional importance in both realistic and expressive art. Primary colours: red, yellow, blue. Secondary colours: orange, green, violet. Tertiary colours: yellow, orange, blue, green, etc. Understanding complementary, analogous, triadic, and split complementary schemes becomes essential in managing harmony and contrast. B. Hue, saturation, and value. Hue, the name of the colour, red, blue, etc. Saturation, chroma, the intensity or purity of the colour value, the lightness or darkness of a colour. Artists learn how these attributes affect form modelling and visual depth. 2. Portrait colour theory, skin tone mastery. Realistic skin tones require optical blending, careful observation, and cultural sensitivity. A. Components of skin colour base tone, often a neutral mid-range hue, peach, ochre, umber. Undertones: cool, blue, violet, green, or warm, red, orange, yellow. Highlight colour: lighter, more desaturated version of the base. Shadow colour: cooler, darker, and affected by ambient colour. Each ethnicity reflects light differently. Skin tone shifts with lighting, temperature, and emotional state. B. Techniques for rendering, layering, and glazing, using coloured pencil, pastel, or watercolor glazes. Cross-hatching with colour for subtle chromatic shifts. Reflective colour mapping: skin reflects nearby colours, e.g., red scarf onto jawline. Capillaries and subdermal hues: slight green, blue, or purple tones in thin skin areas. Practice: create swatches of 6 different skin tones under warm and cool light. 3. Atmospheric colour in landscape drawing. A. Time of day and colour shift. Morning: cool light, long blue shadows. Noon: bright neutral colour with low saturation in shadows. Golden hour: warm saturated hues, ideal for mood. Night: desaturated, muted tones with strong contrast if light is present. B. Weather and colour fog: diffused light, low contrast, low saturation. Rain, reflective surfaces, saturated ground tones, cool ambient light. Snow: blue and violet shadows, warm glows in lighted areas. Cloudy: soft shadows, mid-values dominate. C. Colour perspective: objects in distance shift toward cooler, bluer, desaturated tones due to atmospheric scatter. Foreground warms up and has high saturation. Integrating these colour shifts helps develop depth and realism. 4. Emotional and symbolic use of colour. Colours have psychological effects and cultural meanings. Artists use colour not just to copy nature, but to evoke emotional responses or communicate themes. Examples: red, passion, anger, power. Blue, calm, sadness, intellect. Green, life, envy, growth. Yellow, joy, anxiety, attention. Violet, spirituality, luxury, sorrow. Application: portrait with warm colour dominance to show joy or confidence. Landscape in cold blue hues to express loneliness or detachment. 5. Colour mediums in drawing. Though often considered the realm of painting, colour drawing uses many media. Coloured pencils, ideal for layering and detailing. Oil pastels, rich saturation, blendable, soft texture. Soft pastels, great for expressive skies and foliage. Watercolor pencil allows for both precision and blending with water. Mixed media, e.g., combining pencil with gouache or pastel highlights. You learn how different surfaces, hot-pressed, cold-pressed, sanded paper, affect pigment performance and finish, exercises and projects. Draw the same landscape in morning, midday, and dusk using 3 color palettes. Create a full figure portrait showing light warmth on one side and cool shadows on the other. Render a foggy cityscape using muted tones and soft edges. Copy a master portrait, e.g. Sargent Klimt, with focus on color harmony. Make a landscape drawing using only complementary colors.